Hello YouTube. Today we stopped over to visit the Hopewell Furnace National Historic Site. This is a national park, so I'm going to take you inside. Oh, here's some upcoming tours. And this is a pretty cool site. It's a This is the visitor center, Hopewell Furnace. I think they made cannonballs here. Oh, they made these stoves, all wood stoves. Yeah, they made wood burning stoves. See one of these. They had a. You could put a pie in there. Yep, they made iron here, iron stuff, cannonballs, wood stoves. So here's back in the day.
Nice.
Yeah. Grandkids collecting the badges?
I can find my way out. Find my way down. So, I'm taking unorthodox trail. I don't think this is the way to go, but it'll get me down there. But this is the trail. I'm cutting out a lot of walking by doing it. And we'll start just visiting the site. Hopewell Furnace, Pennsylvania. It's actually a national park. Like Gettysburg. Oh, here's where I was supposed to come to get on the trailway. I'll just start showing. Very beautiful spot. Once again, lots of walking trails and just spots to hang out. And it's basically, excuse me, a 1700s town. They made iron ore. For cannonballs and oak, wood stoves. And it's a very beautiful scenic here. A lot of families with kids walking around. And some grapevines. Oh, look, these are grapevines. I have these in my yard. I grow grapes myself, but just to show you guys, see the grapes on them. Okay. Grapevines. There's a beautiful garden. Sunflowers in it. They keep this place very well maintained, and it's free. You can bring your family here and have a picnic, walk around. I don't really know where I'm going as far as map. I don't have a map. I'm just kind of walking, so I don't know if I'm doing it out of order or whatnot, but we'll get there and see it. So this is a house.
You guys want to maybe go play tomorrow?
Building open, so I guess I'll go in and see what happens. Oh, it's an old housing site. It's cool. It's air conditioned too in here. Wow. And I'll scan the rooms for you guys. Once again, we're at Hopewell Furnace National Park, Pennsylvania. So you can get an idea what the sounds like. There's another tour going on here. We were just over at the Daniel Boone Homestead. Please go watch that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Read my channel description. We'll be doing all kinds of cool stuff. So
This is where they want to eat.
it's just a lady talking. She ain't doing a tour. Beautiful. Beautiful house.
Everything about it is fancy.
I'll video these people.
You would have better food on the table.
Wow, look at the dinner set up. It look like oysters and
What's up, little baby?
walnuts.
You know what else about this house?
Yes, it's oysters.
All on the second floor. Nobody's left.
Cherries. And this is big. We always get these around Thanksgiving and Christmas in big bags of mixed nuts. So, bird gauge. This is a pretty big site, and this isn't just like one house like the Daniel Boone Homestead. There's a couple different things on this property.
Where he would have come and talked to another gentleman, and they would have discussed this.
You can see it's beautiful here out in the Pennsylvania wilderness.
And if they had guests that came, they would stay with the Iron Man.
Looks like they would sell stuff out of here. And there's an old scale. To weigh it. Yeah, I guess this thing, these cabinets had grain and salt and
No, I was just saying, you don't want to go upstairs.
so that's the house. I'm gonna go up here by the barns. This is see, there's this is big. The office. Big area, people. So this, I guess, was the store. Wow, they really did a good job on this place. It's all preserved. Like I said, this is actual national park. There's a sign with some information. I don't know if you guys will be able to. I'll hold it here for a while. See if you guys can read it or screenshot it if you want. Once again, this is a really cool spot to bring your family. Take a walk, have a picnic. It doesn't cost nothing to get in if you're in the area. You find something good? That's just a big rock.
Isn't it cold?
No, it's just a big rock. It's heavy. It's not cold. Do you want it?
No.
All right. Wow, this is a big place. Wow. I don't know if I'll get everything in this video. It might be. It's going to be pretty long. I'm already at 11 minutes. There's barns. I'm going to try to just show you guys the highlights, but I'll pretty much try to get everything that's here in the videos. It looks like you can go in and out of every building. I mean, there's a lot here. It would literally take me a couple hours probably. And my goal, my videos, is just to give you guys an overview of what it's like here, not show you every single thing. They used to make cannons here. Wow. Cast house. Okay, so here's where they would cast, I guess, stoves and cannons. I'm going to hold it on the sign so you can read. You can always screenshot it so you can look a little more. There's another room. They got a cast wood stove over there. Wow. Hot. So I guess somehow they got the iron ore. I guess they used iron ore to get this place going. Flask. The art of flask casting. So, try to. I'll move real slow so you guys can read. Like I said, this is a big place. It would take definitely a couple hours to do if I went inside every building and showed you guys everything. But my goal is to just give you an overview. You can come here on your own, and this is all original. This is amazing. Wow. That's why it's a national park. I mean, there's probably not too many places in this country left like this. Wow. See, they would cast pieces of stoves. That is awesome. there's a water wheel. This is going to be awesome, you guys. You're going to like this. This is really nice. Yeah, I definitely recommend visiting this place at least once. Wow, look. This pipes went all the way up, around. Now, I don't know much about casting iron, but this wheel is working still to this day. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's try to get the whole thing into view. See the wheel. And I'll show you this. You can read to get an idea of what's. So this place was going probably from the 1700s to the 1800s. That's how it works. That's cool. Okay. So we'll walk on because there's more to see. See there's steps you got to go. That's where I was. That's where I just came from, where that first house I was in. And I mean, every building you can go in and look around. Well, we're gonna walk down this trail because I see, I don't know if it's rangers or reenactors. Out in the Pennsylvania frontier. Love it here. I love the state of Pennsylvania. We're getting ready to move out of New Jersey a couple years. Love Pennsylvania or Vermont, New Hampshire, maybe West Virginia. We're going to be checking them states out, looking at properties in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. We'll be going on all kinds of little adventures, checking out cool places. And if you read my channel description, doing metal detecting, arrowhead hunting. I did come across a couple arrowheads today. I went over to a artifact show out here. I have found in my lifetime, myself, if I count the pottery and broken points and all the points I found, I probably found since maybe 1987, probably about 2,000 pieces between arrowheads and pottery pieces, and I got a lot of my grandfather's collection from years ago. A lot of the places I arrowhead hunt are now homes. Lots of homes. They bought up the farm fields on the streams and creeks in my area and built these $600,000, $800,000 houses. $5,000, $6,000 a month mortgages. Don't even talk about the New Jersey property tax. Don't even get me started. It's time to go. Price you out. I think that's what's their goal. Looks like they're doing a cooking demonstration. Let's go over and show you how they cook stuff. Up on the pots over an open fire.
I'm not really concerned if it gets
Oh wow. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
good. We are doing wool dyeing today.
Oh, you're actually dyeing the wool.
Yep. So in this one bath here, we have this is marigolds.
Get out of here, the
Yep.
plant, yeah.
Yep, marigolds in that one,
Get out.
and then we have yarrow, which is another plant in this one.
Okay.
And then in this center pot, it's called a mortant. And what we're doing is preparing the wool to be able to absorb the dyes. So you don't have to always do this step, but because of the plants we're using, it just it allows the fiber to absorb the color. If you don't do it with these types of dyes that we're using, it's just going to stain the color and you're going to lose the color.
I see.
So having to do this extra step is historical. It's what they would have done, but
Okay.
there are colors that you can use that you wouldn't have to do this step.
I see.
So we have these have already been through this middle bath here.
Oh, they're waiting to dry.
Yeah, and well, we're waiting for our colors to steep. So once we have the color that we want, we're going to go ahead and add it back to the dye bath and then let that sit. The longer we let it sit, the more color is going to
absorb.
just
That's cool.
very much like letting tea steep.
I see.
Yeah, so everything that we are using, all the colors have come directly out of our dye garden, which is the second garden down there.
Okay.
And then over on the table, Patty has just the different things that's going to happen from starting with she actually spun this wool, so she carded it and then spun it, and then we're
cool.
gonna dye it, and then from there you would have to loom it, all of these steps just to get one piece of fabric.
People don't know how good they got it
I
today.
know, exactly. Yeah,
crazy.
so it's really just a tremendous process.
Yeah, that's cool though. Very cool.
Yep.
That's a nice setup too you got here.
Thank you. I've been working hard at this fire all
I
day
bet.
long.
It's hot.
She's the brains and I'm the brawler over here.
I see.
Yeah, trying to keep all three pots going at once, and keeping the flames high enough to get to the pots. Yeah, and this is actually our first time she and I doing this, so
cool.
it's so far successful.
All right.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks for explaining it to me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Giving me a little overview on it.
Yeah, of course.
Cool. How many buildings is there? More just here? Is that pretty much the end?
This is the end of the village, yeah.
All right.
So this last building on the right, you can't go into that building.
Okay.
And then the building on the left, the boarding house, you can just peek into the kitchen from that porch there.
All right. Thank you. There's the loom. I just went. Let's see. Guess this is an old house. This would have been their kitchen site. I always wanted one of these kitchens in my house. I'd love to buy an old house like this. Have a modern, little bit modern addition on it in the back maybe, and have a nice open fire pit like this to cook over. It's been one of my dreams for a long time. So. You can see there's more buildings. I'm not going to go in every one. You guys come visit if you want to. You can. But there's trails you can walk. It goes further than these buildings. Oh, original. There's garden. And that lady was talking about how they dye the wool for linen to make clothes, I guess. So, but here it is. I'm going to start walking back up to the main parking lot. It's just beautiful out here. It's August, what, 8th or 9th? 2025. And this is a really cool place to come check out with your family or by yourself if you're walking around. It's an easy walk. I mean, there are some steps for some of the older people. You'll see when I go up. I'm going to keep the recording going. I skipped this spot. Let's see. I don't remember going in this building. Blacksmith shop. Grinding wheels. I guess for sharpening tools. It's pretty cool. I think there's a lot of ghost stories associated with this place. You can always ask the people that work here. But here you guys go. Hopewell furnace. We're out in PA. They used to make a lot of iron, cast iron, cannon, wood stoves, cannonballs. Here, oh, that's all scratched up. If I try to show you that one, you won't even be able to see it. So, put your walking shoes on. You come here. Now I gotta climb up the hill. We're back to the first house. Oh, there you go, folks. Hopewell furnace out in Pennsylvania. We're by French Creek State Park. Here you go. I'd like to come back here in the fall when the leaves change. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.